Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to open your Porsche Taycan charging port. First, ensure your vehicle is unlocked. Then, simply press and hold the charging port button on your key fob for about 1 second. You'll see the port cover smoothly open, revealing the charging connection. This method is quick and convenient for daily use, getting you ready to plug in without any fuss. It's designed for ease and efficiency. Sometimes, if the electronic system has an issue, you might need to open the charging port manually. Head to the trunk and look for the emergency release mechanism, usually near the charging port's interior location. You'll find a small green tab. Gently pull this tab to release the port cover. This manual override ensures you can always access your charging connection, even in unexpected situations, providing peace of mind. If your charging port isn't opening, first confirm the car is fully powered down. Sometimes, a simple restart can resolve minor electronic glitches. Also, visually inspect the port area for any debris or ice that might be preventing it from opening smoothly. Keeping the area clean is a good practice. If issues persist, your owner's manual has detailed troubleshooting steps and diagrams specific to your Taycan model. Proper care of your charging port ensures longevity and reliable performance. Regularly wipe down the port area to prevent dirt and moisture buildup, which can affect electrical connections. Always use charging cables and adapters specifically designed for your Porsche Taycan to avoid damage. For those looking to streamline their daily routine, check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers, along with other great deals. Keeping your Taycan charged and your meals prepped makes life much smoother.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.